Kobe's doing fight class moves in the snow. Someone had enough. Boys, what is Daddy doing?
I don't know.
What is he doing with the snow?
Yeah.
No, the snow. What is he doing with the snow?
Doubling. He's what? He's broke it. He's broke it. Oh, twice.
Look at Daddy's hat.
Look. No, that's the mask. Look. Where's the
Look
screwdriver?
at Daddy's crazy mask.
Look. It's inside his truck. Screwdriver. Screwdriver. Where's the screwdriver? Go that way. Is it in the car? Go that way. It's in the car. Go this way.
Guys, what are you doing?
Oh. And here.
Kobe, would you rather be inside or outside?
Inside. Yeah. Right? Better be inside.
Can you believe how much snow there is outside?
Yeah, I can't believe it. Mommy. Let's have two walls. Here, you're slacking. That's 3 2 walls. I want one of the 2 walls.
Look at that beautiful path from the snowplow. And then Daddy's path. Daddy's path is actually wider and better. Right?
Right. And of cold. Close it. Daddy.